Want PowerShell to feel more comfortable and work the way you prefer? You can customize things like the appearance, command behavior, profile settings, and execution options. In this guide, I'll show you the main PowerShell settings worth knowing and how to change them safely. First, open PowerShell from the Start menu. If you're using Windows PowerShell, right-click the title bar and open Properties. If you're using PowerShell 7 or a newer version, settings are handled differently depending on your terminal setup, so the exact menu you see may vary. One of the easiest changes is the appearance. In Windows PowerShell Properties, you can adjust the font size, colors, window size, and buffer settings. Pick options that make the terminal easier to read. Yeah, a slightly larger font can make a big difference during long sessions. You can also customize the PowerShell prompt through your profile. Type profile to find your profile location. The profile is a script that runs when PowerShell starts, and it can contain functions, aliases, variables, or a customized prompt. This is useful if you regularly use the same commands. Another important setting is the execution policy. Run getExecution policy to see the current policy. This controls how PowerShell handles scripts. If you need to change it, use setExecution policy with an appropriate policy and scope. Only change this when you understand the security impact. PowerShell also provides built-in variables for controlling your session. For example, env path lets you view the current path, while ps default parameter values can define default parameter values for commands. You can also view PowerShell preferences using variables that begin with ps, depending on what you want to customize. If you want your changes to stay after closing PowerShell, your profile is usually the best place for customizations. Use testpath profile to check whether it exists. If it doesn't, you can create it and then add your preferred aliases, functions, or settings. And that's how you can customize PowerShell without changing everything at once. Start with the appearance, then explore your profile, execution policy, environment variables, and session preferences. So make one change at a time, test it, and keep a backup of important profile settings.